Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best heart baking pans is probably one of the most versatile and charming kitchen tools you can add to your arsenal, perfect for expressing love and creativity through delicious baked goods. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion like Valentine's Day, an anniversary, or a birthday, or simply want to add a touch of sweetness to your everyday treats, these heart-shaped pans are designed to make your dessert stand out with their unique and romantic aesthetic. They are not just for cakes. Imagine crafting adorable heart-shaped brownies, individual quiches, or even savory dishes that will surely impress your loved ones and guests with their delightful presentation and thoughtful touch, transforming ordinary meals into memorable experiences. Number 5. SILIVO 9-inch silicone heart-shaped cake pans, 2-pack. Enjoy effortless baking with our flexible silicone heart pans. The non-stick surface ensures your creations slide out perfectly every time. These standard-sized heart pans are ideal for cakes, brownies, cheesecakes, and even soaps. They're perfect for any occasion, especially holidays. Crafted from 100% pure food-grade silicone, these molds meet American quality standards. You can bake with confidence knowing it's eco-friendly and safe. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply wash with warm water or pop them in the dishwasher for ultimate convenience. These pans are designed to withstand a wide range of temperatures, from freezers to ovens. They are safe for use in your freezer, microwave, and oven. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-clean option, this is it. Its flexible silicone and non-stick surface make releasing your baked goods a breeze. Plus, cleanup is a snap with its dishwasher-safe design, perfect for busy bakers who want convenience. What people say. The heart shape is very distinct and holds its shape well during baking. The non-stick coating works great, making it easy to release the cake without it breaking. It's a good size for small cakes or individual desserts, perfect for special occasions. Number 4. Fox Run Mini Heart Muffin Pan, 12 cup. Bake love into every treat with this delightful mini heart muffin pan. It's the perfect accessory for any special occasion or just to show you care. Enjoy easy removal of your delicious baked goods thanks to its premium non-stick coating. Cleanup is just as simple, saving you time and effort. Crafted from durable carbon steel, it ensures even heat distribution. This means you'll get consistent, beautiful results every time you bake. Create 12 adorable mini heart-shaped treats with this pan. There's plenty of love to go around for everyone to enjoy. Each mini heart cup measures 1.75 inches by 1.5 inches by 0.5 inches, perfect for individual delights. The entire pan measures 9.5 inches by 7.25 inches by 0.5 inches. While it is dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended. This will help extend the lifetime of your baking pan for many more bakes to come. What we like. For those who love to share small treats, this pan is ideal. It bakes 12 mini heart-shaped muffins or cupcakes, ensuring everyone gets a little piece of love. The durable carbon steel provides even baking, making it perfect for parties or bake sales where consistency is key. What people say. The heart shape is very distinct and holds its shape well during baking. The non-stick coating works effectively, making it easy to remove cakes without sticking. The pan is sturdy and distributes heat evenly, resulting in consistent baking. Number 3. Bakerpan 2-pack silicone heart molds. Introducing our set of 2 silicone heart molds, perfect for creating delightful treats. They are designed for easy use and safe for your family. Crafted from LFGB-approved, food-grade silicone, these molds are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. You can trust them for all your food preparation needs. Enjoy ultimate versatility with these molds. They are safe to use in the oven, microwave, freezer, and refrigerator, making meal prep and storage a breeze. Celebrate special occasions with charming heart-shaped creations. They are ideal for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, and birthdays, adding a sweet touch to any event. Explore a world of delicious possibilities. Bake everything from cupcakes and brownies to frozen yogurt and ice cream with these incredibly versatile molds. These molds aren't just for baking. Get creative and make heart-shaped soaps or resin crafts. Add a touch of love to your DIY projects. What we like. If you need a safe and incredibly versatile mold, consider this one. It's LFGB approved and can go from oven to freezer, opening up endless possibilities for both sweet and savory creations, and even DIY projects like soap making. It's perfect for those who enjoy experimenting in the kitchen and beyond. What people say. The heart shape is perfect and the cake came out easily. This pan is great for making Valentine's Day cakes. The heart shape is very clear. The non-stick surface works really well. Cakes don't stick at all. Number 2. HEYYUMI aluminum foil mini heart cake pan with lids. Introducing our charming heart-shaped baking pans from HEYYUMI. Perfect for creating delightful treats for any occasion. These versatile pans are ideal for parties, weddings, and everyday baking. Use them for cupcakes, muffins, cheesecakes, and more. Crafted from food-grade aluminum foil, these pans are safe and durable. They are heat and cold resistant, suitable for use in ovens, air fryers, and freezers. Enjoy hassle-free baking with these disposable pans, saving you valuable cleaning time. The included lids make them perfect for on-the-go treats. Make your Valentine's Day, or any special moment, even sweeter with these adorable heart-shaped pans. Bake memories that will melt hearts. Each set includes 25 pans with lids, providing ample capacity for individual servings. Their convenient size makes them perfect for any recipe. What we like. If you're hosting an event or need a no-fuss baking solution, these disposable pans are a lifesaver. They come with lids, making them perfect for grab-and-go treats or picnics. You can bake, serve, and dispose without worrying about cleanup, ideal for parties and catering. What people say. The heart shape is well-defined and holds its shape during baking. The non-stick coating works effectively, making cake removal easy and clean. The pan is sturdy and heats evenly, resulting in consistent baking results. Number 1. Wilton Decorator Preferred Heart-Shaped Cake Pan. Get ready to bake something special. This heart-shaped pan is perfect for all your love-filled occasions, from Valentine's Day to anniversaries. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, it ensures even heating for a flawless, golden brown bake every time. Its warp and rust-resistant design guarantees professional results. You can rely on its sturdy construction for consistent heating. The wide, flat rim makes it easy to handle and flip, ensuring a secure grip. Keeping this baking pan in pristine condition is simple. Just hand wash it in warm, soapy water after each use. This 8-inch aluminum pan comes with a lifetime limited warranty. Create beautiful memories that last forever with this essential piece of bakeware. What we like. For bakers who prioritize professional results and durability, this pan is a great choice. Its high-quality aluminum ensures even baking for a perfect golden finish every time. If you're looking for a reliable pan that will last for years, backed by a lifetime warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. The heart shape is perfect and it bakes evenly. This pan is non-stick and easy to clean, making cleanup a breeze. The sturdy construction ensures durability and consistent baking results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.